Understanding tough as nails, mastering English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, with a spotlight on the phrase, tough as nails. Idioms are a crucial part of mastering the English language, as they add color and depth to our conversations. So, if you're ready to sound more like a native speaker, you're in the right place. Let's explore what it means to be tough as nails and how you can use this expression in everyday conversations. The phrase, tough as nails, is used to describe someone who is very strong, resilient, or determined. When we say someone is tough as nails, we're not talking about their physical strength alone. We're also referring to their mental and emotional resilience. This idiom is often used to admire someone's ability to handle difficult situations without showing weakness or giving up. While the exact origin of tough as nails is a bit murky, it's clear that the idiom draws from the literal toughness and durability of nails, the small, metal fasteners. Over time, this quality of nails became a metaphor for describing people with unwavering strength and endurance. Understanding the origin of idioms like this one can help you remember them and appreciate the vivid imagery of the English language. To get a real feel for the idiom, let's look at some examples. Despite all the challenges she faced, she remained tough as nails, never letting anything break her spirit. You have to be tough as nails to survive in such a competitive industry. He's been through so much, but he's tough as nails. Nothing seems to faze him. Using idioms like tough as nails in your conversations can make your English sound more natural and expressive. It's important to note that being tough as nails doesn't mean being emotionless or invulnerable. It's about resilience and strength in the face of adversity. Recognizing the humanity and depth in idiomatic expressions like this one can enhance your understanding and use of the English language. That wraps up our exploration of the idiom, tough as nails. We hope this video has shed some light on how rich and colorful the English language can be with its idioms. Remember, mastering idioms is a step toward more nuanced and expressive English communication. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to incorporate them into your daily conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.